Sir, allowed,
Okay,
allowed.
done. Now, sorry for disturbance. This time I am explaining again. If you have any question, you can raise your hand. Host will allow you. But you can see I am away from the mobile and this camera, so it is not in my hand. And host also, you cooperate all the student bacha. And rest of the participant, please write your name, standard division. Then only they will enter, or they are not removing because of this network issue also. uh, it happens. So don't be hyper, be cool, be cool. I am supporting you, at least you support me 50%. I can understand your pain. I am not complaining bacha, but try to cup up. Okay, be with us please. So Jai Chemical with GST is not common sense. Without GST, 10,000. With GST, cost price is 8,000. With GST, selling price is also 10,000. So original cost plus GST added in both. But GST is 18% taken. Suppose 100 is there, cost original. With 18%, they will charge 118. So already with GST, this much is given. So how much is the original? So cross product. So I got this much. On this much additional charge they have taken, and with GST 18% is this. So this minus this, that is a GST taken, that is input. While selling with GST 18%, it is 10,000. So on 100 they charge with 18% 118. So with 18% they are charging 10,000. So what is the original? So that why is this much. So 10,000 minus this is the original selling price, minus this, that is the output. Now again output minus input, the actual GST payable. And again you divide this into two parts. So C GST, S GST. This is final GST. Now page number 110, that two sums students are demanding for the solution. Name, that is wholesaler, retailer, customer, cost price 1,50,000, 1,80,000, 2,20,000, GST 18%, 18%, 18%. So GST in rupees, in percentage, as GST, CGST, and then in and out we will find out. 18% of 1,50,000. Okay, make it half, make it double, so that is 3,000. So that is 27,000. Half of 13,500. 13,500. Now 18, 1,80,000, sorry, into 18 divided by 100. So 18 into 18. 324. Half 18,000. 18% of 2,20,000. Half double. 50,600. So 20,300.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, Ashish removed me,
Yes,
sir.
Imran, tell. Ashish,
Sir, Ashish removed me.
hey, you are in the team.
To the
At present also you are
times.
here. Ashish,
Sir, his name is Galaxy Tab A.
then 100 time I have said no, bacha, write your
That's only
name,
na.
roll number and division. What you are writing? And in the class you are disturbing. Write proper name. Wholesaler, retailer, consumer. 1,50,000 it increase, then 1,80,000, then it increase 2,20,000. All are 18%. 18% of 1,50,000 is 27,000, half. 1,80,000, 18% is 32,400, half. Then 18,000 of this, that is half. That is 40,600, that is 20,300, 20,300. Now, Ashish, from tomorrow, no, you just find out who are not writing name, division, and roll number. I will call their parents,
Okay, sir.
because this is not the way. And in every lecture, five time, I am telling that you write name, roll number, division. That's it. If simple rule you are not obeying, then you will be removed. And if you will, if again you will try to enter, no, I will call the parents. Very humbly, I am talking to you, bacha. Please do this. Please try to cooperate. No, why you are writing another name? Write your name. And only name which I will not accept. Name, roll number, division. These three things I want. Then only I will enter. That also students are writing wrong. That also I have catch. Full on those who are learning, those who are taking interest, you are breaking their interest. You are breaking my link also because of one or two students. They will just complain that is that only. Host have removed me 4 5 times. Find out the reason first why he is removing. Okay. So wholesaler will directly pay. Wholesaler's GST is equal to full on 27,000. but retailer GST is equal to 32,400 because this much is paid. So 5,400 rupees. Customer's GST is equal to here first person will pay this much GST, this person will get this much GST, this person will get this much GST. It is input output. Correct. On that base, we have to count the difference of the GST. So initially it is paid this much. So from this we have to remove this. Now for this initially paid this much. So remove from this you have to remove. The difference you have to find out. Now ninth one. Ashish, find out the class also, that to the class teacher also I will complain.
Yes.
It is not digestible. Anna Patil. Vacuum cleaner. Cost price is 14,000. Selling price GST is equal to 28%. So on cost price, always input GST. So on cost price, GST 28% of 14,000 is input GST. That is 14,000 into 28 divided by 100. Correct? Make it half, double. Now with
Sir, unmute.
Now payable GST is 634 rupees and SGST, CGST is equal to GST divided by 2. Again, I'm explaining this. Anna Patil dealing with one vacuum cleaner. Cost price is 14,000. Selling price is 16,800 rupees. In both the time, the GST calculate that is 28%. So on cost price GST 28% of 14,000, that is input tax, already paid tax, that is this. Now we sell with the cost 16,800 rupees, 28%, that is output tax. So this into this divided by 100 because it is a percentage. So I got this. So payable tax is equal to output minus input. So this much is the remaining tax. And at the end also they have asked how many CGST, how many SGST. So simple GST you have to divide by 2. Always, always, always. Maybe the GST percent are different, but SGST, CGST both are same, equal, 50-50%. It is more than 1 hour. Thank you for being with me. Second time also you are joining. It's my humble request that don't fight with each other. Whatever the problem you ask to me, but for that, for live lecture, if I am giving this much effort, at least I need your time and write proper name. That's it. You have to mute your mic, you have to mute your camera also. If you want to ask, raise the hand. And from tomorrow, I will arrange that on-demand question, that is problem solving. So at that time also you can ask. Be cool. Directly don't get angry. Don't speak anything. Have patience. There are lots of problem, network problem, instrument problem, timing problem, sound problem, vision problem. And see, today very smoothly full lecture was going right? In between. Sorry, but find out the reason why he is removing. That much only small request that you can't do. If I can do this much, and how much thing I can manage. So I have to provide this authority to some student. And they are not my servant, they are my helper. Okay, he may be wrong. Okay, but you let me tell first, no? From tomorrow I'll count who is doing this purposely. I will send them that name. I will send to the class teacher also and to the principal also, because this is not the way to disturb. Or with the network problem also that happens, so you don't feel that this host is only removing. So try to cooperate. Host, you also try to cooperate, bacha. Just write a simple message that write this. During this lecture, I have to tell. Okay, and in this corona pandemic, we are doing online study. Full on screen, smart screen, that is maybe iPad or laptop or computer or whatever. And rest of the time you are having entertainment on TV. So your eyes are facing maximum time of the day, except when you are sleeping. So on that also I will make small video to advise that after each and every lecture you wash your eyes with cold water, put cold clothes or make a drops, cool drops of rose water or what. So small thing at home also you can do for your eyes, and at least take after 2 3 lectures, at least take 30-minute rest. You blink your eyes purposely, buy foods, because when you are on a front of smart screen, no, at that time the rate of blinking will decrease. So it make your eyes very dry, and that is not good for your eyes for a long time. So you will suffer. You will get different or dryness type or redness type of that disease. So avoid this. And when you are free, don't watch TV or don't play the game, because already you are facing so much time on that. And every day I'm sending attendance to the class teacher and principal. So attendance is also very compulsory for you for all the lectures. Because of my exam and your exam, I have prepared this timetable. So don't make any misunderstanding. Whatever question in your brain, or you ask me. You ask me. Okay, I will give a satisfied answer. And then whatever the timetable is provided, as per that I will work. No problem. If you want separate lecture, I am ready. If you want joint lecture, I am ready. Okay, but come for the study. That is my humble request. Okay, so 1 week my exam is there, so I will take joint lecture only, and a full day I have to prepare the 3 hours to have exam and rest of study and other lectures also. There are lots of department work is also there. SSC board work are also there. So from that 1 hour I have taken spare for especially my 10th standard, because 10th ABC full St. Lawrence 10th maths is in my hand. So uh, it is my responsibility to satisfy each and every student. And I will do till end. Don't forget that. I will be there. But I need some cooperation from your side. I want good result. Last year we got 100% result. So this time also our expectation is very high. And math science, we were 100%. So it is proud. So this batch also will give me that proud that this is my second batch in St. Lawrence. So, but I try to cop up, try to understand every time, and don't be in a very hot temperament. Cool. I am also suffering from sometime the day before years, at that time I was cool. What I can do? Okay, I'm very sorry that I have spent your around 28, 29 minutes. Okay. But sometimes we are helpless. So just cool. Okay. Thank you. Good night. Bye.